All right, there we go. We got them. We got two Diesel Jacobson Turfcats. One of them's the running one. The other one, we have not seen it running. It's listed for parts. We're gonna try and get that one running too, though. All right, let's make it home. We got it unstrapped. Now the hard part is trying to get it off the trailer without dropping it. We have not seen that one running yet. We're going to get it running. Hope it's not full of bees. Alright, we got it off the trailer. We think there's something wrong with the glow plugs for this one. So that's what we're working on right now. We're going to investigate the switch here. And if that appears to be working, then we'll have to look at the glow plugs themselves. Alright, so we got the panel off here. We got 12 volts here. We do not have voltage down on the glow plug switch either side. So I traced back the wire to the solenoid where it's tied into the positive. Follow that wire up here. It comes up to the glow plug indicator. I do not have any voltage here. Nothing. Come down to the bottom side. Here we are, about 10 volts. Our battery's bad, but we got voltage coming in but not coming out. We're going to just bypass this glow plug glow indicator and see what happens. And it does have 12 volts on it even when the key is off. I don't want to short it out. Jump these two wires together. Here it goes. Okay. So we're basically eliminating that glow thing. Honestly, I've never ever seen one of those glow things in action that actually worked. Maybe we'll replace it someday. But right now we want the mower to work. And even though it's a hot day out, and it's in the 80s, it's sunny, these little 3-cylinder diesels, they need the glow plugs, even on hot days. They'll just crank and crank and crank and crank. So unless you've got the glow plugs to warm them up, good luck. Okay, there we go. Let's see if that made a difference. Alright, we're going to find out. Battery might not be good enough. So we're going to try it. Okay, key switch on. Glow plugs on. I don't hear any melting. We're going to give it at least a half minute here. I know from the good running one that they need glow plugs for quite a while. Alright, let's see what happens. Here we go. See if this thing moves. We got a running engine. Glow plugs. I love it when it's the simple things.